On Tuesday, Minister of Public Works, the Honorable Bishop Juan Edghill, facilitated the installation of the new board of directors at the CJIA International Airport as part of government's commitment to transparency and accountability.
In all of our agencies where boards are required, we have meticulously and with clear strategic objectives to ensure that we get citizens of the highest quality to give national service, to ensure good governance takes place in Guyana.
The minister urged the board to actively seek out ways to modernize the airport.
Guyana and Tamari International Airport must be transformed into a hub for regional traffic connecting the Caribbean and South America. Not only connecting the Caribbean and South America, we must make CJIA International Airport a preferred destination for stopovers for the long hauls, which means we just can't provide boarding and disembarking. We have to provide the finest restaurants. We must be able to have executive lounges, not just first-class lounge based upon an airline.
The minister further stated that in pushing for modernization, the board must also look at the establishment of a nearby first-class hotel, improved parking, and a distinguished taxi service attached to the airport. The installation of the board is simultaneous to the reopening of airports for commercial flights, setting the stage for the revitalization of the tourism sector and economic recovery. This follows 7 months of travel restrictions due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Minister Edghill also reminded the board of its responsibility to ensure safety and security at the airport.
Whether the VIP lounge, the executive lounge, or the regular departure lounge must not be used or abused as a place to facilitate the movement of illicit drugs and other items out of Guyana. We have to ensure that we are compliant, we pass all of our tests. And when we are audited, our rankings and our ratings go up high.
Being appointed as a new chairman, attorney at law, and member of parliament, the Honorable Sanjeev Datadin voiced his dedication in achieving the goals set out by the minister. He also shared some of the protocols implemented in preparation for the airport's reopening.
Rest assured, we will do everything within our power with Mr. Gear and the staff of this airport to achieve those objectives, achieve them in a timely manner, and to make the airport facility and experience a more enjoyable one and a more friendly one in every way possible. We all know that the challenge that we have, the current challenge that we have, is a COVID-19 pandemic. We have come upon and decided, in association with yourself and the COVID-19 task force, as to what procedures we intend to implement. We intend to review those procedures based on the data we are collecting, and we intend to collect the data of every passenger arriving, how many of them have had a test less than 72 hours, how many more than 72 hours, the ages of the passengers, and we will attempt to keep ourselves informed with that data and review and report to you on a weekly basis.
Supporting the chairman as board members are David Ramdehall, Sean Richmond, Dr. Amarnath Dookie, Savitri Singh Sharma, and Dawn Ellis.
You all come from various fields of expertise. You are chosen because of that. And I believe your collective wisdom, when added together, will be more than 100 years of experience in a boardroom of cordiality, respect, and candid discussion can only lend to the development of this facility